Here's a late model specialty vehicle in at Unique Specialty and Classics here. 2014 Chevrolet Corvette. As you can see, red on red. Removable top car. This particular car was owned by a good customer of ours and has a clean Carfax, a little over 10,000 miles on it, 10,400 and some I believe it is. We'll take a look when I get around, show you the interior, and we'll fire it up. Riding on the original rubber, no modifications, clean Carfax, no accidents, all original paint. Very nice, well taken care of car. Of course, underneath the hood, the 14 Vettes would have been the 6.2 liter, I believe 450 horse. This one is paired with an automatic transmission. See, riding on the chrome wheels. It is a 2LT package. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier, but 2LT package. Again, red on red car. Automatic tranny. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of this, check out the engine bay, interior, and just see how clean this car is. Check the pics out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video there's a link. You can click on that. That'll take you right there. Or if you'd like to know anything about this, give us a call. 507-386-1726 is where we can be reached at. I'll go through some of the options on it when I slip around to the other side, but since we're over here, obviously you can see dual climate control. Of course, Bose stereo, selective ride. Now this one does also have both tops, so back here in the pictures you'll see it. I've got them in and out. There's your solid red top, and there's also kind of the smoked see-through top. I just have popped out for the video so you can see in the car a little easier. Now we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist you with getting this car shipped to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended warranty, so feel free to ask your sales associates you're talking to about that. Center dump exhaust, great looking rear on these cars with the two-tone black and red. And again, little over 10,000 miles on this one, just incredible shape. And you can check out those pictures so you can see what kind of shape this one is in at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, click on the link. It's going to take you right there. You can see there's not a bunch of door dings, scratches, nicks, anything up and down the side of either one of these. And the red on red for just a classy Corvette look. Alright, so you got memory seating over here. Of course, power windows, power locks. I mentioned Bose stereo earlier, I believe. Heads-up display. Of course, steering wheel controls, paddle shift. Again, that select mode for suspension. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Again, no modifications done to it. Exhaust, anything like that. There's your miles too, if you can see it. 10,674 it is. I was thinking it was a little less than 10.5. 10,674. And as you'll see, no warning lights or indicator lights. Just the fact I don't have the seatbelt down, so it's going to flash a little bit there. Stereo system, again, everything in working order on this one. Very nice, well taken care of car. Let's go ahead and slip around to the back so you can hear this one run a little bit, and we'll check out that engine bay. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video a second so I can pop that hood and let's check out that 6.2. Alright, here you go. Stock engine bay. Nice, clean, and tidy. No surprises on this one. Slip around to the other side so you can see it. Like I said, we sold this to a customer in our area. He's had it since, and he got a different toy, so it's time to part with this one. Again, well taken care of. 2014 Chevrolet Corvette 2LT. Has both tops, 10,600 miles. Clean Carfax, original paint, no accidents. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Financing is available. We do consider trades. We can assist with getting this car transported to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended warranty. Give us a call. Talk to a sales associate. You can soon be enjoying this beautiful Corvette.